Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 6th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. I am having a little bit of a problem with my webcam today. You won't be seeing my face today. I apologize for that. Palantir, quite a big pullback. Palantir went down 70 cents, minus 3.11%, closed at 21.82. Post-market numbers seem to be off. Big red candle after the 4 green candle that we had. This was great to have that. We are having a big red candle. Remember, yesterday we had a high very close to 22.75. Today we did not go as high and we basically went straight down to the support. So support that I had drawn based on this May 11th candle, the bottom of this May 11th candle, and also pretty close to the July 19th candle and July 27th candle. So basically this is a pullback and we are retesting the support of our channel because the stock is stuck between this support and that resistance. Also, what we can also see is that the stock is also under 22.75 as resistance, as you have already seen. But also I drew this today, so we have 21.50 as a support. So basically we are having a congestion channel within the bullish channel. It's not impossible that the stock would be coming down to 21.50. That's clearly possible to do that, and hopefully it's going to hold 21.50. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. So wow, we can really see the red candle. So in terms of the volume, we have 260,000 shares that were exchanged during the first hour. And the day before we were at around 70,000. So a big dump that happened today. Then the second hour things went down even further, and then we basically went sideways with a little bit of a slant towards the bearishness. And if we look at the indicators quickly, stochastic at 3, MACD crossed over with the 2 lines negative. So yes, it was a hard day. It was a little bit of a hard day for Palantir, but if we look at it from the perspective of the channel, it was almost to be expected because this is what the stock has been doing. It has been touching the support resistance, but then it was stopped at 22.75 instead of the resistance of the channel, and going back to support and then slowly inching up and stopping at resistance again and now support. So 2 things to check: this support line from the channel and also the support line at 21.50, and let's hope that we won't have to talk again about the support line at 21. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, commenting. Join me this weekend where we are going to do a weekly recap for Palantir and Tesla. So we are going to take a look at the technical chart for these 2 stocks from looking at the weekly chart. This is only available for my YouTube members, so join now to be able to watch those videos on Sunday. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.